dang, look at ES. Dang, in comparison to, yo, FNQ. ES is doing NQ moves now.
Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
NQ is lagging. Like, what?
All right. Hey, I put the golden fibs on the ES from yesterday. Apparently, I mean, is it, you know, they touching these golden zones and they bouncing from it.
Yeah, the NQ is tripping right now. I'm ashamed to even say I trade you. What happened to you? All right, let's we're gonna put some stops right here.
All right, so that means if
Like,
this thing goes up, yo, good morning, Investor Zeke. Good morning.
what is this blasphemy? You got ES pumping, NQ acting all shy.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude.
Never thought I'd see the day.
All right, let me make sure. So yeah, again, I put the golden fibs on the ES. I want to see if they respect it. All right, let's try for the day. Oh shit, let me. Oh, that is nah. That's a double top on the ES. That might actually get bought up. Where's 830 at?
All right,
So this is
I'm all
830.
out on NQ. That's tragic right there. What?
Well, let's see.
I mean, I did think that NQ was gonna dump since they're no longer playing nice with each other.
Hold on, guys, give me a second.
She hit my first ES hit my first target at 55, so that's good. This is wild.
Yeah, the NQ just it's no longer the market's darling. NQ is no longer the market's darling. It's the ES now. It's trade ES or get lost. All right, I mean, I think I'm gonna use these. I think I'm gonna use these levels. I'm actually keep. So I'm gonna keep this chart. Actually, what I want to do, because I'm trading the ES and not the MES. What I want to do. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the golden fibs on this chart. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna take off all the indicators. I'm gonna take off all the indicators off this except for the volume profile. I'm gonna take it off of this one.
So you said the golden or those fibs haven't really been working on ES.
I mean, yeah, but it seemed to be. I don't like about that.
See. ES start dropping and I'll cut it. But oh yeah, there we go, baby. There we go. Get back up there. My darling ES. NQ who? NQ who?
NQ said, don't do that. You're gonna come back. When ES starts ranging at in 4-point range, you're gonna come back.
I'll be back.
and all those unfulfilled sacrifices that you didn't provide. Oh, you're gonna pay that back. You're gonna pay that back.
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what,
NQ.
man? I don't like it like that. Don't like it like that.
That's crazy how they're divergent. I mean, I know. It's all sad for NQ. I'm like, yeah, this looks like it's about to drop.
Mhm.
Yes. It's like, nah, hold my beer.
Yo, ES is the market's darling.
I feel more comfortable in a long than I do.
Well, 50, that's like 5-9 points.
But ES could drop anytime around here too.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Alfred, they acting like they friends no more. I mean, NQ is like, you acting like me now? You supposed to be the good girl. You supposed to be the responsible one.
Yeah. Look at ES.
Just
Look at her go.
dude, that is crazy, dude. That is crazy. The Nasdaq is now the ES. Wow, that's crazy. That's so crazy. Ah man, do you? Oh, dude, I'm starting to not trust double tops on the ES no more. I'm starting not to trust him no more.
Oh, that is crazy. Oh, my target is at a they're taking orders off. That could be a good sign and moving them up.
I could have sworn I put them on here. Maybe I didn't. Where are you? Let me do this. Let me find like a good day. How many days that was at these highs? Um, that was all the way in December. Bear with me, guys. I mean, there's nothing to trade right now. I should have stayed in that short last night. That's what I should have did. I should have stayed. I should have stayed true. I should have been a stubborn bear. It just seems like that. I need to be a stubborn bear at the right times. But I'm not gonna lie, that green candle, that momentum push did make me reconsider that short just for it to completely work out. I would have been at the top and I would have got my target super filled. So I was like, man, I'm not gonna let that I'm not gonna try to revenge trade that or nothing, but man.
All right, I'm out of my ES position, but and I kind of want to. Might be a little too early.
Oh yeah. 60 days or something like that. Actually, let me do this real quick. Mm, okay, I'll just wait until that loads. I mean, the golden fibs from yesterday is kind of working out. They're kind of working out. Yeah. All right, let's just do this the old good old fashioned way. Mm,
Okay, what's the delta and stuff like
oh
negative
yeah, my
on
bad, my bad, my
NQ,
bad. My bad.
negative NQ delta?
Well, there goes my spot puts. At least unless we see a big drop coming up. Those my spot puts. So right now, at least for SPY, I mean, obviously, is more positive overall, but this is more neutral than anything. Because I mean, we're already at the largest gamma level. I highly doubt we squeeze the 12 unless we do. Um, if they don't hold this gamma level, then we could see it kind of dip down a little bit here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. Yeah. Are we now getting into the days where we can't trust a double top on the ES? Crazy. Mhm. Every time I look at the damn, and NQ just sitting there. NQ just sitting there ranging like the ES. Oh my God, dude. This is blowing my mind right now, dude. This is literally blowing my mind that the Nasdaq is like that. And this is the ES. This is the ES chart. And this is a Nasdaq chart. That is blowing my mind. Yeah, I was telling the stream last night that with my NA meetings, I usually have to have more space for the Nasdaq because of all the price action. But yesterday, for the first time, I could have had 2 days in one frame. That's how choppy the Nasdaq was yesterday.
Wow.
Look at that. I mean, it barely did anything yesterday. Barely. Yeah. We see you over there, ES. We see you, baby. All right. So, I mean, they're not really doing anything. So let me see if I can catch. Okay. So let me see if I can kind of see if I can catch the highs on this. Hmm.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that wasn't it.
My bad, ES. I didn't know you were like NQ now. I shouldn't have tried to short you. My bad.
Oh, you try shorting this? You try shorting this?
My bad, ES.
Why
That's
are you
my
good?
fault.
All right.
So you tried to shorten this? Yeah, I thought this area would hold.
Mm.
That 156 area. Clearly, she said, I'm not bound by your so called supply. Let's see if this news pushes us down. We got a minute.
Oh yeah,
1 minute.
we got a minute. All right, so let's see if I can catch it. I mean, either it's pushing us up or we're pushing it down. All right, let's see.
We could get an initial
Pump.
down push reaction and then pump back up. That's what I'm thinking. Let me see. NQ still down. About 10 points.
All right.
Yes is up only 4 points on the day. Let's see.
Just be mindful that old girl, she's still trending. Just be mindful. All right, 1 minute. We'll see what happens here.
No, I didn't need to do that. That's fine. Oh,
Ooh,
shoot.
shoot.
No, I didn't mean to do that. That was supposed to be my stop.
All
I did
right,
not
well.
mean to pile into that.
All right. I
I tried
mean,
to take it off.
see if this keeps
Yeah,
on
that's my
pumping.
fault. Ew.
Mm. You said 190 incoming? I mean, we coming up to this did we touch 63? No, we ain't touch it. We coming up to this high. I mean, the ES ain't like that. The ES ain't like that, man. Hold on. Let's actually look
Dumb
at the numbers.
gaslighter.
You're not that guy. You're not that guy. Relax.
Not like us.
Uh,
So the ES ain't like that. Yeah, okay.
mm.
Showing out today. She said I'm the new NQ. I'll show you wild. You want volatility? I'm gonna show you.
S&P Global. So it came in under expectation. I don't know if that's good news, supposed to be bad news. The global manufacturing PMI came in above expectation. The global composite PMI, well, I guess it went down from the previous. So, like I said, I don't try to interpret the news. I just trade the reaction.
Yeah. It'd be almost impossible to get it back down to these levels now. ES is on go mode.
Never know.
I want my 6K back.
You get a market back 6K.
Well, I gave it almost 4. About half profits now. Let's see if she can come down, get my money back.
I mean, it's in the same spot. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. All right. I mean, in the meantime, guys, I mean, since you missed it, we're going to find the fibs. We can see if we can find the fibs for the ES. So it's the high and low before pre-market. See if we can find these fibs. All right. I mean, so far, so good. I mean, they've been bouncing off that golden zone. And then once we got a break. All right. This might have been it. And that was easy. I like when things are easy like that. That was easy. Break above that. It did stop short of it though. Yeah, this might be it right here. Yeah, this might be it. And what I want to see is these golden zones and these 23% getting respected. That's what I want to see.
What you said that's like 600
Yeah, I think this
ticks.
is it. You said what?
That's like 600 ticks or whatever.
What do you mean?
The chart.
Oh, yeah, this chart's like a 99. 99.
99 ticks.
Mm-hmm. And this is the full ES. It doesn't have that much volume in it. I mean, I just put a 999 because it was cool. That's it. And which is only 1 point off from a 1,000 tick. Okay. I mean, I guess we can use this as a reference. Like, okay, so yeah, the golden zone is in this area. I think I think this might be it because it's been respecting it. It's been respecting these golden zones and stuff like that. And the 23%. What I want to see is if it rejects off the golden zone, I want to see it bounce off the 23%. This tells me that I know I'm in the right area with this thing. Yeah, okay. I'll keep this. Yeah, I'll keep this. If I can find a better one, then I will. But that's like bouncing off these things perfectly. But so far, this is good enough. It's doing what I wanted to do. Let me lock in this thing real quick and then
Oh my goodness, that long.
yeah. And we can have one for the Nasdaq and the ES. Because the ES she about that now. All right.
Yeah, ES is about that life.
All right. So yeah, I just pre-market highs and lows, people. That's how simple this is. All right. So let me make sure. I'll lock this one in. I'll play around with this in the weekend so we can have one already prepared for next week. We can always trade the price action, but having these fibs as a reference is always beneficial. Always beneficial. All right, so let me make sure that's the high is 171. 171. And the low right here is 146.25. Let me lock that in. All right, let me look at what it's talking about today. All right, so this is the day, I think. Hold on. All right, so this is the day right here. And wow, what do you know? What do you know? I think we found it, guys. I think I might not, I don't have to play with this. I think we got it. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect golden zone rejection so far. You got the golden zone. It was playing around this golden zone. If you caught this last night, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think we got it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because I mean, you can have a 10-point stop on ES and still be good. I trade 4 minis and I have a 7-point stop, and that's only a $1,200 loss. So it don't got to be perfect. It seems like it has like 3 points of, I guess, off 3 points. Yeah, seems like it's like a 3-point discrepancy on this thing. Yeah, about 3 points, 3 to 4 points on it. Yeah. All right. I think this is good.
Let's go to R2. Went to R2 and rejected. I think that was my
Six.
out. I think that was my out.
All right.
It gave me my out and I didn't take it.
All right. I mean, we'll
I might
see.
get a chance.
This thing might actually double top up here, bro. This actually might double top up here. We'll see what happens if so if we get a move down to, let's see what happens at if we get a move back down to this range. I kind of wanted to double top and then, just drop, but all right, let's see. Uh, he said meta buying chips. That shit, man. All right, we got the 9 o'clock algo coming up. 5 minutes. See what size she chooses. Man,
No, sir, Alfred. We hold. I held through all last night
yep.
on the
Thank you, Alfred.
longs.
Yeah, we got some news at 9 as well.
Yes, about to find out. I'm
We got some
him.
housing news at 9. We got the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, and we have the 5-year consumer inflation expectation coming in at 5 minutes.
Yes. Stop acting like that and do right by me. Yeah, I doubt I actually get these though, unless. So we got Michigan news at 9. Shoot, that'll be another catalyst to take us higher. But I think it's time for a sell rotation on ES. Maybe. Hopefully this isn't it. I got a little more left in the tank. Because it's definitely getting bought up. And what's our delta looking like? That was a nice little short on silver. Could have made millions of dollars. CL. Yep. Same thing. Millions to be made in CL. Took that short.
Okay, I must be tripping. All right.
There we go. Finish the rotation.
All right. Hey, Smith, so if you said something, my volume got turned down for whatever reason, so I didn't hear what you said.
I said the ES gonna find out I'm him. Don't play around with me, ES. And if hit my targets, yeah, I took some pain. Actually, this was an accident. I was actually supposed to get stopped out, but I put the wrong order and added into the position. That's too funny.
Did it work out?
I should have been, oh, it's working out now, but I should have been stopped out at this 23% on that news push. So we got a 9 EMA bounce. I could have reduced some there. That would have been a smart thing to do. But the job's not finished.
Job ain't finished. Dude, all right, I'm just gonna wait for the news. I want to get in right here for a retest of that high, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait. Nasdaq, damn, Nasdaq is looking double toppy. It's looking double toppy right now, but we'll see. All right, we got less than 60 seconds. Let's see what side she chooses. Let's see what side.
Let's see. All right, we'll put the put the stop at the high.
You know, honestly, it would. Okay, so it would surprise me if we see a pump here, or if we see a continuation, the market trends up, because next week we have peak week and we have FOMC. Was that dip? I mean, are these guys willing to buy the highs? They don't want to dip the market down to get in at a better price. They want to buy these highs.
Right.
Find that interesting. All right, let's see what side she chooses.
Guess I'm about to find out. I'm effing around, ES. You gonna make me find out? Yep. I'm about to find out. I effed around on ES.
You shorted it again?
I'm in the same short. I never got out. The job wasn't finished. She ain't hit my targets. Job ain't finished. I could have scaled out though. I just thought about that as soon as it was going back up. I was like, yeah, I should have reduced this by at least half. Job ain't finished. Job finished? I don't think so.
Hey.
I just saw Alfred's comment. Hey, the job ain't finished, Alfred. You know how it go. We can at least get a pullback to the 23%.
Job ain't finished. Them targets are our market goals. It's good to have goals while you're in the market. It says, I'm not getting out until it hits my damn target. Damn it. This is where I think the market should go, and it should go there. And point
Should I
bank.
reduce?
You said what?
Should I reduce half at least? Yo, I'm in 35 contracts on the ES.
How much are you up or down? Damn,
I'm up 4K.
Oh, damn, that golden zone freaking. Dude, do we take the 23% long? Do we dare? I mean, we're in the 23%. We got VWAP and dude, I'm taking it, dude. I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it.
Let's go, ES. Don't no. Yes. No. Did you take it long?
Not yet.
Right there?
Not yet. Not
I mean,
yet.
it didn't. It shortchanged it by a tick on mine. Because my target is at the 23. I should have put it up a tick.
Yeah, you always gotta do that, man. You know how it goes. All right, let's see. Let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do.
No, I want my target hit. Give me my target, ES. Give it up. Give it up.
So Charles is like, what is he tripping
Give
about?
It up. Hey, relax.
All right, let's see. Let's see if we get
Next one.
Okay, so they got the VWAP top. They got it. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let me get a good, decent price. Let's see if we can trust these levels. You got VWAP
over here.
200.
Crying.
23%. I think those are really good indications to go along here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a tight trail on this now.
Oh shit. No. Wow. Damn it.
Reduce.
Damn it.
Keep it at 5.
Damn. All right. We're gonna trust the 23% here. We're gonna trust it.
Okay, they're being crazy. Take that off. And then I'll put it at the 0. All right. Protected. And we got 5 on. See how far we could go with this.
All right. 200 in VWAP and the 23%. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. You're failing me.
Oh, you longed off of it.
Yeah, I took the long. I took it. I mean, it is a good spot to go long. This is the bulls buying the retest right here, potentially. So.
Oh man, are they coming back in? I mean, so we do got the 50 right there, and that's opening price. Supposed to be opening price. Does it get back to the 618? Or does it hold this 200 average?
Don't fail me now. Don't fail me. VWAP in 223%. I'm sure I'm good. I don't think they break through this. I don't think they break through it.
Looks like we going with Lambo today, Alfred. Lambo today. I wish this was an account that mattered. 16K. No, like I said, that was an accident. I should have been stopped out right here at 160.
Mm.
But oh, is this all they got? I can't break VWAP.
Mm.
Got more left in the tank. Yeah, forget NQ, man. That's crap. I can't believe I'm even saying that. It sounds like blasphemy.
Sounds like it, because it is.
Not if ES been acting like this.
I mean, I've been jumped on the ES train. I've been jumped on it. Something told me to learn the ES and get comfortable with her, because she is definitely performing better than A and Q. That's why I'm hoping that these fib charts actually work out. So I don't have to really think no more. I can like, well, okay, so it's coming to the 23%, it's coming to the 30 or the golden zone. We can just base our decisions based off of that, if this will work. I mean, shit, if we took that golden zone short down to the 23%, that would have been a 10 point, what 162 to 149. Let's do some quick math on that. I've been 13 points right there, and that's really good on the ES. I mean, she should be doing 50 points nowadays, but
I
that's
know,
still
right?
good. Yeah.
Well, we didn't get stopped out yet. I feel like it's coming, but still in the game, still in the fight.
Mm, mm.
Literally a tick away. My last 35 contracts short the ES down to my last 5.
Mm. Man, this week has just been so lackluster with this insufferable price action from both. Well, the ES has been cool, but the price action overall on both instruments has just been
Insufferable.
basically torture at this point. I mean, it's the bears trying to short it and failing and getting squeezed out. And then once you get that pump going, then out of nowhere it stops, and then it goes right back to chopping.
Yeah. They can come in now. I mean, I feel like I don't want to get stopped out right there. Because I think close my. I think it can continue pushing down a little bit more. Let's just gearing. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, could be gearing up for a push, but this structure doesn't seem.
I mean, if it breaks down here, then we're going lower. So if it breaks down here.
The job's not finished.
Well, the Bears never finish, so
Yeah, that's true.
oh man, my stop is right where it could bounce at too.
80K. 80K. Okay. That's what I like to see.
Oh shit, it broke that range. It broke that range. All right.
Gotta get ready to close. So because be close attention to that. Yes, already trying to come back. Okay, so we hit the 148. Just take it. All right, I'm out.
Take that, take that.
Am I? Why am I still? Hold on. Am I in the NQ or something? Whoa. When did this happen? I must have had a limit somewhere. Oh, I did. Yeah, I'm up. Oh, I had 50 points on NQ
Oh really?
on one. Ah, go back down. Shorted, shorted the top. Oh, okay. Close this. Oh, that's not right. It's not fair. Oh, there we go. 50
Okay.
points.
Come on, man. Figure out what y'all want to do, man. The anticipation is killing everybody.
Close that. How did that? How did that order stay on there? I thought I closed everything. But that was good though. It worked out. 2275 short, all the way back down to VWAP.
Yeah, if this thing falls, actually, I might get stopped out of this, man. Oh, well, should have took the golden zone short. That's what I should have took. Um, all right.
Shorts are stressful.
Yeah, they are. What I was actually looking for is I think the market wants to come back up and at least because, like I said, where is it at? We ain't touched this high yet. We ain't touched 163. We stopped what at least about a point before it. Yeah, like literally a point and then 2 ticks. So that's what I was thinking that the market was going to try to come back and get. But it looks like they said that the 162 is probably good enough. We'll see. Mhm. All right.
Brought the sim to 80K from like 2K.
He was down 2K in the sim.
No, I started
Oh, you started from
at with
2K?
2K. Yeah, in the sim. And brought it up. So for the month, let's look at the stats. For the month, I got a total of 88,000 in profit,
Mhm.
24,000 in losses. For a gross total minus fees and commissions, 63,000. That's just for this month. But if we go, see last month, and I had a 70 last month. December was that bad. I made 99,000, but I lost 120.
Mm.
I was negative 23K in December. I thought December was good, but I guess not. But for the month of January so far, I'm 75% win rate, which that's good, I guess. It can be better though.
Oh yeah, it
It can
definitely
be better.
can.
We will be better.
I don't ever want to put my. I don't ever want to move my stop down. Don't ever want to move my stop down. That's something I don't ever want to do.
Well, it's a wrap for me.
Mhm.
I'm gonna call it.
All right, man.
No use in giving back this sim money.
Actually, shit. I'm sitting there looking at this trade. I'm not even looking at not looking at SPY right now. Man, I lost $69 today, dude. What the fuck? Mm. Mm. All right. All right. So I'm not trading options until there's like news or something like that because options just freaking suck. All right. Yeah, so I'm going to probably only trade options next week. Got FOMC, got Apple, Meta, Tesla, all that volatile news next week. So that's going to be my new option rule. If there's no news, I ain't trading it. If we're not at support or resistance, I ain't trading. Or I'm not going to trade options because. All right, I think this is it. We're above the 50 now. So I think we push. We push.
Think the longs come in.
Yeah, I think so. At least I hope so. I mean, we're above all the EMAs now.
Is that financial advice? No. I'm gonna go long, but I'm scared.
That's hilarious. Yeah, go long. Go long.
Oh my goodness. That is classic comedy gold. Oh my gosh.
Well, ES has been very merciful to me, but you know how it is. Either hits my targets or it hits my stop. Bump that break even, bump that tan line. Needs to hit them green lines and stay far away from that red one. I probably like towards the end of the day. Well, I mean, I still got, I mean, yeah. That's bullshit. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I tell myself the same thing. That's why I don't put too much money in options, man. But for whatever reason, I get on a little win streak with options and then I just get back into trading them again. And then I realize why I hate them. Yeah. Okay. All right. Breaks below that. It's the whole point of me coming to futures in the first place. All right. So we touched that. Mm, mm. I hate to do it, but I'll give myself 2 more ticks. I feel like 45, them 5 numbers on ES is dangerous. They'll bounce at them. So I'll give myself 2 more ticks. All right. Well, it didn't work this time. And this is an eval too. I should have tried this out in the sim, but I would have been pissed if it worked. So I took the gamble on the long, and it seems like now the Bulls are nowhere to be found now. Where y'all at? Where y'all Bulls at now? Mm. And it's only 9:22. Mm.
All right, I'm in long, but I'm scared. I took one contract long based off your advice, Sherm, but I'm scared. I'm just playing. I kid. I did go long though. I just want to see go back to VWAP. But
You still trading the Nasdaq or the ES?
no, I switched back to NQ.
Mm.
Yeah, forget ES right now. She paid me, but yeah. NQ give me a push to be it's only 360.
All right, dude. What the hell is going on, man? All right, a death by chopness. Mm.
Nah, it just that took a while for ES to drop, and that's what I don't like about ES. That pump was tremendous, but the drop playing around it took a while.
They said, "ES, give it up already." Nah. Are the Bulls? Are they back? Are the Bulls back?
Thinking we're back.
Oh yeah, you know what? Okay, I made a big mistake here. I made a mistake here. All right, I made a mistake.
Mistakes were made. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Y'all have a great weekend. And Sherm, I'll be on COD later.
All right, all right.
All right. Peace out.
Mistakes were made. Yeah, we could see a bounce here. I don't know. So mistake I made was looking at this ES chart when I should have looked at the I should have been looking at the MES chart and traded again on the ES. For whatever reason, the EMAs are more accurate on the let me take this off because I'm not gonna be trading the MES at all. Like I said, I'll do some work. I'll play around with these fib levels on the ES because I mean we can make trading the ES easier than what it already is then. But yeah, the EMAs are more accurate on the ES, MES for whatever reason. Even if I do put the same tick size on. Okay. Yeah, I think this position is probably cooked, honestly. Mm, okay, well. $139, 136. That don't probably do it, man. Okay. Get into this stupid ass rhythm. Okay. I mean, probably be like something like that. No, that can't be it. You know, the Nasdaq is super rangy right now. Gold is super trending right now. And so it seems like what the golden zones are more reliable than the 23%. Hmm. And I think it respects the golden zones a lot more. But if you got in, uh, like I said, I'll play around with this thing. I'll get it to where, like, so what I really wanted to do is I really wanted to find perfect support at both the. Actually, let me do this. Let me do this. I wanted to find perfect support at these golden zones and on these 23%. So let's see if I can find me a nice regular day. And they caught this bottom perfectly. All right, well, if this is going to hold true, then yeah, my position is basically done at this point. Probably like what 56 or something like that. So I mean, it's holding this low so far, and this is probably why, like I said, fibs don't really work that well on that on the ES like it does on the Nasdaq. If you just trade the structure, you're usually good. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this ain't gonna. I'll just take the loss and instead of hoping for it, just take the loss. Yeah, I'm not trading options anymore. Only on if we have news the next day, then I'll trade it. But if not, then no, I'm not gonna trade options. Because that shit barely moved from yesterday's price. I should just take that into trade. I doubt it though. I doubt it. Yeah, both the Nasdaq and the ES is both being very annoying right now. Just ain't right. The price action has not been the same since the inauguration. Honestly, I wouldn't even say the inauguration. Since that president died, Jimmy Carter, it just hasn't been right ever since then. Okay. Okay, well, I got one more trade. I can only take one more trade to make an attempt to make my money back. If I lose that trade, I have to close up. Honestly, I think this actually might be a good spot for the Bulls to come back in, actually. I'm done with options. You know, I guess that's what I get for trying to be cute. Mm. Nah, I mean, even if that'll be a struggle, that'll be a struggle, I think. See, I mean, let's see. Um, do I dare do it? Do I dare short this? Of course I won't. Uh, damn. So sorry to hear that, Investor Z. Honestly, I mean, on a regular day, I feel like this is a good area to go long. But it's obvious that we're chopping down. You got all this support right here. You got these highs. I mean, it looks like they already bought it. They're buying it. I mean, that would have been a good spot to go long. I mean, the long worked out, but I think the market is chopping down. And you got this range right here as well. Which seems to have been support. Okay. And this is what I was trying to avoid on the ES. Damn, dude, ES, that was, oh my God. It's okay. That's my fault. I was trying to be cute with these fib levels instead of sticking to what I know what works. I guess I was trying to find a shortcut. I learned today. I'm not saying that these things don't. That I don't think it's work. I don't think that it doesn't work. It just didn't work in this situation. It's obvious that they work, but like I said, I'll still try to reference this. It's like I said, I just think that maybe it didn't work in this situation. I mean, the main reason why I took it earlier because it was at the 23%. It looked like support right here for the bulls to come and buy it. The 200 and the VWAP was also in this area. And for a retest of this high right here. But it just didn't work out this time. I guess I should have recognized that that it wouldn't. But it's just one of those things, man. This price action has just been so all over the place. It's when do you trust it and when don't you trust it? Another part of my reason why I went long is because I figured that they was going to take this high out at 163 because it missed it literally by 1 point. So that's something else that I thought the bulls were aiming for, but we didn't get that. What's going to be frustrating is, like I said, those 5 levels on ES, you got to kind of watch out for them. If you put your stop near those 5 levels, you're kind of, I mean, if you're not getting in at them, I wouldn't put your stop anywhere near a 5 level because that's usually where the market likes bouncing around is that 5, those 5s, those 40s, 55, 40s levels. Yeah, 39, missed it 40 by 1 point. So it's like, you just got to kind of be mindful about that on the ES. Yeah, 29 and those 5 levels. So just watch out for stuff like that. And that's why I gave it at least like 2 more ticks, but it came and got me anyway. Man, this is technically a range right here. All right, so you like taking profits at them 5 levels too? Yeah. Yeah, I would do that as well, yeah. Yeah. I mean, we'll see what happens here. I'm not, like I said, man. Man. Mhm. I guess I could say that, maybe I should have put my stop down a little bit further, but no, no. I have a 7 point stop for a reason, or a 6 point stop for a reason. So I can have my risk defined. I should have had my yeah, it just didn't work out this time. I really can't sit here and trying to find fault. It just didn't work this time. Not like I took a trade randomly, but at the same time, this is the ES, and I guess technically, yeah, that would have been the middle technically. But I figured that they would have came back in this range and then popped it higher, but they just didn't do it this time. They didn't do it, so I'm not gonna beat myself up about that. What I will do though, I do got these lows on my radar, but I'm gonna get long at this range right here. This will be my last trade right here. I'm gonna get long here, somewhere in this area. So I mean, even if price pops up, eventually it's gonna come down, and I'm gonna probably get long at. We'll see what happens around 136. 136, around that area. We'll see what happens there. 136. Yeah, at the top of this range right here. 136. That's where I'm getting long at. Uh, uh, which one are you looking at? Are you looking at the ES or are you looking at the Nasdaq? I'm looking at the ES one right now, and man, this price, like, dude, this is such insufferable price action. I guess too much retail traders have become too profitable. So it's like, oh, let's jumble up the algorithm. Let's blast through supply with momentum, get them caught, and then we'll slowly grind them down. It's the same price action, but it's just hitting you emotionally now with the slow down price action, and then the fast momentum. I mean, that's what got me out my short yesterday. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of beat myself up for that last night when I was thinking about it. I was like, man, you really allowed an impulsive move to get you out of your short. And that's exactly what I did last night. This impulsive move right here literally got me out my short. I would have been in at 55.75, literally only a tick and drawdown. I moved it up to 65 because I figured, well, I mean, they're going to just keep going up. Maybe 65 might be the next level just for it to drop. So that wasn't fun last night. It really wasn't. That wasn't fun at all. But yeah, I'm definitely, if we get a rejection here, I'm definitely getting in at 36 right here at this range. Hopefully it happens. Well, I mean, regardless if it happens on stream or not, this is where I'm getting in at, and it'll be my last trade for the day. I can only take 2 losses in these accounts to stay consistent. Yeah, everybody's thinking the same thing in the Think with Bookmap chat. Everybody's complaining about the price action. It says anyone shorting. Mhm. I mean, let's see. I mean, all right. Let's look at Bitcoin. Man, shit, the price action on Bitcoin is insufferable as well. The spreads are, that's not too bad. This is 20-point spread, maybe 20 to 50-point spread on it. That's not bad for Bitcoin. Let's look at gold and see what gold is doing. Damn, damn, damn. When did this happen? You know what, man? All right, so let's see. Let's see if let's see. Yeah, I can't have that much of a risk on gold. Let's see if we can get like a clean little pop here. Let's see if we can get a pop here on gold. And I'm gonna sit here and trail it because let's see if we can get a pop on gold. Gold is like I showed you mercy at your break even. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at on gold. Probably push it up a little bit more. Gold doesn't overshoot. It doesn't overshoot. If it pushes past this low, it's highly unlikely that we'll get a push back up. Okay. All right. I got a half trade left, so I definitely got to make the best. Um, Actually, that might have been the trade on ES right there. That might have been the trade. Kind of got a double bottom, but all right, come on, gold. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, okay. All right, man. Come on, go. Don't do that. He was just ready to pump. Oh, oh. Mm. No, that shit drops. It drops. Mm. Okay, man. Fine. 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 Mm. That's the kind of shit that'll get you kicked off my charts. That's the kind of shit that'll get you kicked off. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Just the 890 level. 890. Wow. Gold. Wow. That'll get you kicked off the charts, man. That'll get you kicked off the charts, man. Isn't that some shit? So if I gave myself 3 more ticks, I would still be in this trade. Isn't that some shit, dude? If I gave myself 3 more ticks, I would have been still in this trade, almost back to break even. Wow. All right. But I shouldn't think that way. I shouldn't think that way. I mean, what can you do? What could you do? For whatever reason, the market chose to take you out. What could I have done? What could have I done? Maybe like 5K or something like that. All right, let me make sure. Actually, what I probably should do, is actually adjust this because I don't want that either. So those first 2 targets that I care about, not the runners. Seriously, what? Why? Why is that above that one? Because the space has priority over nothing or something like that? Wow. All right. I guess I should have took the chance. Well, I had an opportunity to get it back on the ES, back at this range at least. Yeah, I think that works. Then we'll probably get a move all the way back up there. Yeah, that probably works. All right. All right. I learned from my mistake. I'm just gonna stick to what works. Structure. I was trying to be cute with the fib levels on the ES, and the structure definitely showed me that it will always reign supreme over everything. So, trying to find a shortcut, and I paid for it today. Lesson learned. I can still reference the chart, but how I'm going to use it moving forward is if it aligns with what the structure is telling me, then I'll just use those fib levels as targets and stops and stuff like that, but nothing more. And not a reason to get into a trade, I guess. Hmm. You know what I'll probably do? I'll probably just set an alarm just in case. Because I mean, if they hold this and they find support, because this is a big giant range that this thing just formed just now. It looks like they're going to hold it. I guess if they hold this and we see a breakout and they pull back and use it as support, then we can probably get it's highly likely we'll get a retest of that high. What I'm hoping happens though, I mean, if we don't get this, then just a range rotation down, or just a healthy pullback, and that lines up. That lines up perfectly, almost. That lines up perfectly. So I'm definitely gonna go long. That'll be my last trade of the day, around that 36 level that I was talking about. I'm gonna go long there. I think we see a reaction at 36. 36, 37, 35, somewhere in that area. Once price gets into that area, I'll make my determination. But until then, I won't be taking any more trades. If gold actually popped up, this chart might actually get deleted. Okay. All right. That makes me feel a little bit better. I won't tolerate stuff like that from instruments that, like that overshooting crap and then popping back up. Yeah, I don't tolerate that from instruments like gold or CL or something like that. I don't tolerate that at all. You don't even get a dopamine hit from any of these instruments at all. At least I don't. So, I mean, if this thing's just gonna not trade the way that I expected to trade and try to be cute, the chart will get deleted. Hmm. You know, I haven't taken a CL trade since what year was that? I think I haven't taken a CL trade in 2 years. I haven't taken a CL trade in 2 years. It's gonna probably stay like that. After that bull crap that pulled, I never traded it ever since then, because that was just like the most unnecessary. Like, I mean, it literally, I mean, I understand it was news. I get it, blah, blah, blah. I get it. But I mean, that move was absolutely crazy. Like, it just kept grinding down past support, past support. And I finally get in. It keeps grinding down. I have a 27-point stop. It stops me out. And then out of nowhere, that shit shoots up all the way back up, hits my target and exceeds it. And I was like, you know what? Never again. Never again. Nah, you ain't the Nasdaq. You don't get that kind of pass. Nah, you trade structurally. If you break structure, you go down. No, you're not going to do that. I'm not going to sit there and tolerate that from CL at all. Or gold. How it moves, it grinds slow. I mean, this was a nice move, but shit, this thing grinded to the downside. But gold is good. Like, obviously, gold and CL is good to trade during, you know, geopolitical news and stuff like that, obviously. But outside of that, hell no. Damn, looks like the ES and the Nasdaq about to probably break out here. I mean, it looks like it, man. It looks like it, but I don't know. The Bears are just so weak. I wish they would just just get the job done so we can just get back to the price action. Shit, just get the job done. So I mean, so obviously this is a controlled sell-off, because obviously with this grinding, you got bulls continuously trying to buy the dip here, but they're selling it off. The crazy thing is that this thing didn't even really make a trend line. It's not even trending. I mean, it barely made a trend line. I mean, it was trending off of that. They popped above it. It's just grinding down. So that tells me that if price gets back up into this area or somewhere around here, there's definitely going to be sellers here to sell that retest. We just don't know exactly where they'll come in at, though, because that grinding is a dead giveaway that one side of the market is obviously in control, but the opposite side is trying to buy or sell it as it goes up and down. All right. I mean, like I said, I'll just stick to my plan. I'll just stick to my plan with the ES. That's where I'm gonna get in at. I mean, it sucks because I think I would have been at break even. Yeah, I would have been right at break even if I gave myself 3 more ticks. Next time, I guess I kind of know. I'll know better, I guess. Yeah, dude, I can't believe you missed that. That was actually a silly one to do. That was silly. Should have gave myself a couple more ticks. I was trying to. I mean, in that situation, I was trying not to. Move my stop too far down to where it knocks me outside of my my defined risk. But it also sucks if you get stopped out and then it comes back to your break even. That also sucks. So That battle between trying to get that break even, but at the same time not have your stop in an area where it could potentially bounce. That's always a song and dance within itself. Mhm. Well, I would have had break even or close to it right here if I didn't get stopped out of it. Yeah, I should have, dude. That was a silly mistake on my part. That was so silly. You know that, bro. You know that. That was so silly, man. That was silly. A silly mistake. Mm. Yeah, it just would have given me break even right here, and I probably would have took it. I would have taken it so I can at least go into the weekend green. I mean, this I think today. So I had a red day in the sim on Tuesday, and this is my only red day in an eval. So I had 2 red days this week. I mean, the day's not over. I mean, if I do get that pullback at around 36, and then I can get my money back, but we'll see what happens. I should have taken that long on the Nasdaq when I saw it, but when I saw that it came into this range, but mm, I think I would have gotten. So right now is at 11. The high right here was at 11. So, oh yeah, I probably would have had one more. I would have had one more target left on this. I would keep a close eye on this little swing high right here. All right, actually right here. I would keep a close eye on that for a target because that 2030 level has been support and resistance for the last 2 days. 38 has been support and resistance for the last 2 days. So I'll pay attention to that swing high right there. Got this. Pull back. Think about that crap before you do it. Trying to be cute. All right, so let's see what they do here at VWAP on the Nasdaq. Do we get that pullback here, or do we get this thing to continue higher? If I had the patience for this thing, no. Oh man, this price action sucks. Oh, all right. Damn, look at that clean double bottom right there. I should have just paid attention to it. Look at that clean double bottom right there. Mm. Mm. You know what? I'm gonna take it, dude. Mm. Mm. Nah, I'm tripping, dude. I'm tripping. All right. All right. I'm just gonna set my limit and I'm just gonna walk away from the screen because at this point I'm low key trying to trade on tilt. So I'm just gonna set my limit. Um, I'm thinking about like 36 or something like that. Mm, probably right here. It's gonna set my limit, man. I mean, if it goes underneath this range, I have a 6 point stop. So yeah, my stop will be exactly where I would want it. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it here, and I'm just gonna walk away from the screen. All right, yeah, I'm trying to trade on tilt. I try to take a damn trade in gold. And that's me trying to take trade on tilt. Like I said, I am interested to see what they do here. But I'm just gonna walk away. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'll accept this red day. I mean, if it hits my target, I'll probably get. I should get break even if we get a full rotation from my target back up into these highs on the ES. So if they come back in and rotate it back higher, at least up into this range, I should get break even. But if not, I'll just come back next week. Like I said, this is the only red day I've had in an eval. We had a good week this week. It all started with that cute ass trade I took off this fib levels. At the time, it was, well, since we're super bullish, why not take it? You know, why not take it? And it looks like if I gave myself 3 more ticks, I still would have been in this trade. I don't know if I would have took break even, but I guess it doesn't matter because it stopped me out and then made this move. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But this is where I got my target, my limit. I'm looking for a rotation back up all the way to these highs. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, all the way back up to those highs. 164, possibly. And then we'll see what happens from there. Because I'm still, they didn't take out this high. And if we do see that drop, then okay, whatever, we see the drop. But oh yeah, we got 36 as point of control from all the way from December 18th, give or take, 17th or 18th. So that's been point of control right there. 48 was that high. They still haven't taken out this high right here. All right, so yeah, I think that should be a rule because it doesn't like that. So like on the highs, like it doesn't like, yeah, probably like 50s on the, yeah, like 50s or something like that. 50s, 50s on the 50s on the highs, 75s on the lows. Yeah, 50s on the highs, 75s on the lows. We'll rock with that. We'll rock with that. Uh, mm, 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 mm. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good weekend. We'll definitely come back on Sunday night. Hopefully, the CFTC data is caught up. Right now, it's 2 weeks behind. So that data, it's still valuable data, but obviously, we're not going to have an idea of what side to trade on if it's 2 weeks behind and it's already price action that's already been traded. So hopefully, they fix it tonight. If not, we'll still capture it. We'll still look at it. We'll still observe it, and we'll just move forward from there. And with that said, peace out, everybody.